Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone to Digitest Value Added Digitest Professional Service. I am by name Adebayo Oluwaseun. So we'll be considering domain and WordPress in our web design training. So once again, I am Adebayo Oluwaseun. I'm the CEO and the founder of Digitest. So welcome to my training. Once again, welcome to Digitest. So without wasting much of our time, we'll go straight to business. So what we'll be considering now is domain and hosting. That's what we'll be considering now. So as time goes on, we'll consider cPanel, WordPress overview, installation, and the likes. So as we proceed in the training, the question we need to answer now is, what is domain? What is web hosting? I know you are very conversant with the name domain. What is a domain? So in short, a domain is the name of your website. Let's assume you want to register for a course in school. They will give you the web address. That web address is what is called what? Domain name. You want to register for name? Okay, go to this website, www.nigeria.com. That is a domain name. www.go.com, www.betnigeria.com. That is a domain. Those are domain names. So a domain name is the name of your website. It's an address in the internet that the user can use to access a website. To access information on the internet, you need a domain name. So if you want to develop a website, the first thing, the primary thing you need to get is what? The domain name. So the domain name is the address people type into their browser, like your facebook.com. That's a domain name. google.com, valueadded, digitest.com.ng, and the likes. They are all what? They are all domain name. So if you want to develop a website, if you want to learn how to develop a website, the primary thing, the number one thing you should have in mind is that what? You need a domain name. You need what? A domain name. That's the number one thing. You need to get a domain name. Now, after getting the domain name, what next? Okay, is it that I will just get the domain name and I'll start? No. What next? That is what will lead us to what? Hosting. Web hosting. Now, it's like you have an address to a location. That will actually take you directly to that location. And when you get to that location, you will discover that, okay, in location, there is a house where the thing you are looking for is being kept. So, that will take us to web hosting. Web hosting is a place where all your files for your website lives. It's just like a warehouse, a secure place where all the files, it's like you now uploading all your details on Facebook. A place where those things are being kept, all those information, you discover that anytime you come online, you see those information there. Those information are being kept in one place. And the place where those information are being kept is what is called what? Hosting. Web hosting. So it's just like a computer that stores all the information on the internet. So before you can design a website, you need a web hosting. A web hosting is a kind of company that will help you save all your information securely on the internet. So after getting the address, the web domain name, you need to host that domain on an hosting. It's a computer. The web hosting company is specialized in storing and servicing websites. They offer different type of hosting plans to their customers depending on the kind of website you are building or developing. So, having said that, you need a hosting. So it's a place where those files are being kept. If you design the website now, you discover that you'll be uploading some information, you want to put this, want to put that. Where those information are being kept is what is called what? web hosting. So having said that, then you can now proceed to host and to buy your domain. What are the recommended domain and web hosting platform? I will recommend QServer is what I'm using. It's fast, and since I've been using it, I'm really enjoying their services. So we have Namecheap, we have SiteStrong, we have a lot Ugo-Host. There are a lot of web hosting companies you can use, but I would recommend QServer. Why? Their service is fast. It's easy to host. Your website to be fast, which is very cardinal. It's very important to when your customers are loading your page. If your page is very fast, it will help customers to remain on your page, not that they are loading your page and it's taking a long time to load. That's why I'm choosing QServer. There are also other web hosting you can also choose from depending on you, but I am recommending QServer. So without wasting much of our time, I want to also proceed to the practical aspect now. To the practical aspect of our training. So you log on to your QServer. You click on the link I'll send to you, QServer.what.net. That's the web address. Use the link I sent to you. So if you want to host your website using this platform, you come here. If you are using mobile phone, you can use mobile phone to do what I'm doing. You see something related to this. It says free domain name, domain free.com.ng. So if you choose this platform, when you register, you get free domain. If you register for this hosting, you get free domain. So let's click on order now. So let's look at what they are saying. Look at the starter pack. That is 500 naira monthly, and if you are going for annual plan, you can use, you see now it's 5,000 naira annually. So if I choose this plan, if I choose the yearly plan, I'll get free domain, which is .com.ng domain. Look at another plan. Look at this. But as starter, I will advise you go for the first one. If you are still new to web development, this starter pack is enough for you to start your business. So you click on order now. Then you now suggest your domain name. So I will pick DigiTest Training. So the abbreviation .com.ng. So I will choose this. Okay, I will choose this. Then I'll click on continue. If you check, maybe okay, say congratulations, digitesttraining.com.ng is available. You can see. So the domain for a year is 100 naira. But if I'm buying a yearly plan for hosting, I will get it for free. Listen carefully again. This .com, look at this, digitest.com.ng. If I'm going for a yearly plan, I'll get it for free. But if I'm going for a monthly plan, I'll get the domain name. You know, the domain name is different from hosting. When you buy a domain name, then you buy what? Your hosting. Now, this domain name, if I'm buying .com.ng domain name with the hosting of a year, I will get the domain name free. Then the hosting, I will only pay for the hosting. But if I'm paying for monthly plan of hosting, so that means I will have to pay the 1,000 naira forward for domain name. You do get this plan now. So this is the amount for the domain name. You can also see some other domain name here. If you are going for .ng, it's 9,000 naira for the domain. For those of you that would like to go for .com, let's check for the price of .com. think it should be around 5,000 naira or thereabout. So I think it's around 5,000 naira or more. So we'll scroll down, then we'll continue. So now we want to choose our hosting. We're done with our domain name. The hosting. Look at the billing. If you are going for monthly plan, if you are not buoyant enough for it to just for training purpose, you can see 500 naira. Quarterly plan 15. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So for now, I'll go with the monthly plan. If you have more, you can go for the yearly plan and get free domain. So let's scroll down here. So you're not going to tick anything here. You just leave it the way it is. Then you click on what? Continue. It's the same process even if you are using full. Then here, hosting 1 year, registration, yes, 1 year. Then you click DSN management free. You tick it. Then you click on what? Continue. So let's look at the overview of what we've done so far. Okay. Look at the hosting. 1 month hosting 500, domain 1,000. If I go for yearly hosting, then I will do everything will be 5,000. Then the domain name registration will be free. But because I'm going for monthly plan, that is why they are charging me for 1,000 naira for domain name. So this is the summary of what you've done so far. If there's any mistake, you can simply go back and correct the mistake. So we'll scroll down now. You can say customer details. You put in your details here, your name, everything that pertinent to you, you put it. So when you are done, then you click on checkout. So, but I already have an account already, so I'm going to use existing user. So after filling in your details, it will direct you to this place. Then you can either pay through bank transfer. You can see the details of the bank here, or you pay online. Okay, you pay online. So when you select InterSwitch WebPay, then you click here, pay via GTPay. That is what I normally use. So you can decide to use the one convenient for you. You put in your email. After putting your email, you click on continue. Then she let you can pay through card, through bank, through this. So this is what I normally use. So I'm going to copy the link here. So I'm going to pay now. So we can also likewise. So payment have been done successfully. Then you click here. You can see. So it will redirect me to my dashboard. Wow. So it will normally redirect it to the dashboard. And if you didn't check your email, you see details of your account there, then you can log in from there. So you come to main account or account client. So let's check for the service we just paid for, Digitest training. Okay, so Immediately you make payments, you come to this place. The first thing you do is to click on what? Open new ticket. And the reason why we are doing that is to notify QuickServer that we just made payment for our domain and web hosting, that they should activate our account. I want to believe you are following me step by step. So the subject, payment successful. You can say payment for domain and hosting. That will be the title. Successful. Says related. Okay. Test service. Digitest training. You can see. This is it. Digitest training. That's what I just. For your own, it will just be only one. You can see all the things I've worked on. That is what is showing here. So Digitest training. Priority high. Then you just drop a few message. I just made payment for hosting. Just short. Then here, attachment, you click here and send the proof of payment. Most especially those of you that use the bank transfer, you upload, or any transactional details you upload here. So when you're done, you click on the robot and something, then you submit. So in the next 30 or 1 hour, they will respond to you and activate your account. So that's a simple step on how to buy your domain and web hosting. So in the next video, we are going to talk about cPanel overview. So meet you in next class. Thank you for joining us on Digitest Value Added. I am by name Adebayo Oluwaseun. Thank you and God bless.